Gotcha, bum. Wait, how do you carry? Oh, there you go.
Ease.
He's trying to snipe me. He's just trying to snipe me, bro.
Hey, show me from up here and see if I die from falling.
Alright.
You know, if you press R2 on the flip hook, you'll see you can aim harder.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Nate, give him an admin.
Oh shit.
I'm already.
I got good aim. I actually
Alright, show me one more time I'm gonna die.
got him. Wait, how do you climb?
I just thought of a smart way to
You
get
press
tested
G.
out. Like if you want to use your friend tester, but you can't get Robux in this account, just buy the shirt, delete it, and then buy it again, and they'll still get the Robux, and both of you get tested.
That's what everybody's been doing.
No one does it.
I do that.
Buy
Hey,
the shirt,
don't me
delete
directly
it.
in or like oh, okay. I have to rejoin because I fucked up the kill screen.
Oh, I got me. Oh, I got Skype. Nice.
Oh, you lucky bastard.
What does Skype get?
Like, well, I don't know yet.
Hey, you didn't get tester, did you?
Huh? Yeah,
You got it. Yo, I ain't garbage.
You're not
Yeah,
tester in
no,
the Discord, so I
garbage.
don't know about that.
What's in this to do?
Well, I mean, I'm playing the game right now.
We'll see.
Come down. Oh, my booty ass. Yeah.
So,
Dome it again, Kofi.
There we go, man. I have a white
Alright.
head. but
Dome it
I-
again,
Oh,
Kofi.
gosh, bro.
Let me lower it down.
Are you hacking?
No, I'm not hacking.
Alright. Random strangers. Oh, is that a?
Kofi got dying 8 times, like 8 times in a
I
row.
don't know
Oh
how
my.
you picked Kitty.
Let me come risk this phone.
Yes, sir. Alright, so we got the katana.
Never mind, he's 2 cars on.
I like how you can die really easily.
Bro, but this combat is nice, bro.
Alright.
oh shit.
I
Let
don't
me
know who this
try to
random
revive.
stranger is, but it's probably Crank.
It's just the 4 of us, man. It's
No,
like-
your skin
I
is
love
glitched.
how it says random stranger.
Your skin is glitched. You have like
Yeah.
a white head but black body.
Hey,
Yeah, that's what happened to me. I love how it says random stranger instead of.
I can't.
random.
I'm trying to revive you, but you're like glitching and shit.
Don't worry,
so-
just send me.
Revive doesn't even work. I tried to revive.
You can't grip.
You can't grip. Don't
You can throw them in the water, though, and they have to rejoin. So that's
This.
For
Oh,
now,
shit.
we can't do it. For now,
Hey Nate, watch this. Oh shit.
Nice aim. Oh shit.
Yeah, it is nice aim because I'm fucked him up somewhere. Okay.
Bruh. What you doing? Hey yo, wait, what you doing, bro? What you doing, bro? Thanks. That's not enough. Yes, sir. Wait a second. Oh, I'm being a real Skypean. I'm being a real Skypean. Yes, sir.
Hey, clip that.
Bro,
clip
you
that.
said-
That's the first
I'm
one.
already clipping the whole time.
Oh, Lord, bro.
Yes, sir. A real
Y'all some
Skypean, bro.
bums. Y'all some bums for TV like that.
I think. Oh, I'm going into the clouds. Yo, I'm a real Skypean.
Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot.
Yo, I see something in the air.
clicked it.
I see something in the air.
clicked it.
Blocked.
Oh, yes, sir. Real
Block.
Skypean. Yo, I'm
You've been
actually a real
blocked.
Sky. Oh my god.
Blocked. Peek again, Kofi.
You can see it coming a mile away, so it doesn't even work.
Oh yeah, who wanna run the ones?
Oh yeah, we want
Nate does, and then I'm gonna shoot you. Did I hit you?
Wow, that hit
Yo,
me.
it grazed me.
Yeah.
Wow, this dude's
All
aim
damage.
is crazy.
I'm just gonna be like, they need to add limited ammo on the flintlocks.
Yeah, like
And
actual
then
ammo.
you have to
That's
actually
a
buy
bomb.
ammo. That'd work.
Yeah.
That's probably what's gonna happen.
We should really should.
You don't even need to aim. That's crazy.
You can hit fire it. I'm finding better with hip fire.
It is kind of better with because it's like off center when you fire normally. I can't even see you because you're behind the house.
Combat log.
Combat lock.
No bounty for you.
Wow.
Free.
Okay. I see how it is. Dang. Alright, I like the combat because now I understand it.
I'm so happy Infernatu's like not in this game or whatever.
Yeah.
I don't feel like hearing M1, Flintlock, M1,
Yeah.
Cutlass Parry, M1.
Cutlass Parry.
I don't feel like hearing that.
Oh my gosh. That's tough.
Why is pending closed community even a rank?
I don't know. Yeah.
Only when they make it so like
F to block.
you know when it's not testing anymore, it's gonna be like group
next
access.
Oh, Ward's an admin, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you?
I'm about to tell him to get on.
Isn't there climbing in this game? There we go. Press
Yeah,
G to
press G.
climb. That's nice.
Oh, he probably has devil fruits or some type of shit.
Nah, probably not.
Oh yeah, because it's an old version as well.
Okay, you can go in corners.
This game gonna be fun on release. I want to be able to rob banks. Oh my god, it's gonna be like
This
OPA.
game's
but
gonna be
better.
nice. It's gonna be like. It's
No, One Piece finale.
One Piece finale. That's
Yeah.
Oh my. Can they just make that game again? Do you remember it came out again and it was run by
Yeah. I don't think
It's like
that
ruined.
game can get redemption.
Battlefield, boy.
Hey boy.
We're trying to get up.
Oh
Nate.
shoot, yo! Just barraging with bullets. Yo, why you trying to shoot me?
He's gonna get up. Oh,
We're
I thought he
putting
was
up.
up. Oh, I missed it.
Oh, he's blocking for dear life. Hey, let's just shoot him, Nate. Just shoot him. Let's all shoot him.
Oh man, who's up there? Who's up there? Is that crew?
Yeah, that's me.
Hey,
That was
Top
Nate.
shit.
That was Nate.
you can block bullets?
Yes.
Oh. Oh dang, I'm already low. Are you trying to shoot me?
Oh shit. I'm just waiting for this guy to get up again. I'm gonna shoot him. Oh, I saw him move a little bit.
I like how there's blood in this game. Like you can actually bleed.
Oh, that's fucked up. That's fucked up.
Oh gosh. Yep, need it. Oh, you're lucky. Right, not again. Wow.
Oh, corpse pile.
Body bag quarter. yeah. Who said you can get up, boy?
Bruh.
Sit back down, boy.
Bruh. You're lucky.
Locks on, by the way. I liked
Oh
it a
yeah,
little bit.
Link, you next.
Hey, let me shoot him. Let me shoot him.
Let's go. Why did it take so long for him to get up? Alright, pressing a lot of stuff. You see, move a little bit. Oh dang, I'm going crazy.
Oh, he shot me. Hey, I'm about to die.
I know. He's on the F.
Easy.
Everyone's at me. Just
Oh,
because I'm in
shit.
my high spot.
I'm free for all. Who said you got the whole F?
Dang. You're lucky.
Like, Link, I'm gonna come over here.
Someone joined. Someone joined.
Oh.
Link, shoot him. Everyone shoot him. Everyone shoot this. Get the Skype in.
Oh, he's not. He's moving, so I can't. Oh, fuck.
Wow. Do I just have bad aim? Bro, what? No way. Do I have to aim or something? He's just not getting hit.
This is literally fucking Call of Duty at this stage.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I almost got. I.
I don't have food.
Oh, and I'm dead.
Hold on, Link. Let me see. I want to see if I can drop food. How did you get up here?
It says, don't be weird. Fuck you. Right.
Don't be weird.
Alright. One guy all the way in there. Oh, okay, I see how it is.
Thought you was safe. Thought you was safe.
Oh
Oh
shoot.
my god, like you walked into that. What are you doing?
No, that's.
Dotty. Hold on, Link, I'm gonna M2 him off.
Yo, that's tough. That's tough. Oh, damn.
Got pushed in the water. Oh, wait. Shoot him now. Shoot him now when he's stuck in the water.
Yo, this dude fell down.
Oh, fuck. Tragic. I'm shooting this guy who's just in the water. No, Nate. I changed my mind.
Oh, yes sir. Good try.
Oh, not you.
Dang,
Oh,
this
my
dude
bad.
is stuck.
I'm climbing underwater. Wait, oh, there's fishmen in here. This water's infested.
This water's infested? Oh, damn.
Alright, just.
Oh, Link, if you like turn.
Peace. And we'll just kill anyone trying to get up the wall.
Yeah.
You're weird.
You're weird. Shut up. Hey, I'll come
Hey,
here
hey.
real quick. Come here real quick. Oh, my bad. Hey, yo, bro, calm down.
Why do I have to be in the middle of this?
You just
There's some random stranger drowning here. Oh, I'm dead! I need to rejoin.
Easy.
Wait, can you
This
bleed
is
out on
boy,
here?
see?
Can you bleed out on this
and then
game?
drown. Can you bleed
How
out?
do you go down?
After the school, I bled out.
How do you go down?
Control.
Control.
Oops, aw.
I'm so dummy. I'm sorry. Oh shoot, I'm not that.
I mean, I got the screenshot of shooting you off.
Dang, I'm dead. Dang, for the first time I actually died. Alright, well, that's one thing. Hey, do we respawn? Do we respawn?
Nah, you don't respawn.